Morning students. Today I am going to start new chapter fractions. In previous class we have learned about fractions and addition and subtraction of fractions, and in this class we will learn about the multiplication and division of fractions. Before solving problems, we know that what is a fraction and types of fractions. So I am going to start fractions, chapter 2, fractions. Fractions. Fraction in Hindi we call भिन्न. A fraction is a number. A fraction is a number representing a part of a whole. फ्रैक्शन एक भिन्न होता है जो कि किसी पूर्ण संख्या का एक भाग होता है. किसी पूर्ण संख्या के एक भाग को प्रतिनिधित्व करने वाली संख्या को भिन्न कहते हैं. A fraction is a number representing a part of a whole. In other words, a fraction is a number of the form, or a fraction is a number. A fraction is a number of the form m by n. Here m is not divisible by n. A fraction is a number of the form m by n. अर्थात m by n के रूप की संख्या को, यदि कोई संख्या m by n के रूप की है तो उसे हम भिन्न कहते हैं, फ्रैक्शन कहते हैं. एग्जाम्पल्स 3 by 5, 7 by 2, 1 by 3, 4 by 3, etc. A number of the form m by n where m is not divisible by n is called a fraction. फ्रैक्शन एक भिन्न है जो यह बताती है कि कोई भी संख्या किसी संपूर्ण का कितना भाग है. A fraction is a number of the form m by n. Now we will read about types of fraction. Type of fractions. Type of fractions. First we will read about proper fraction. Proper fraction proper fraction. In Hindi, proper fraction we call uchit bhin. Proper fraction means uchit bhin. A proper fraction is a fraction of proper fraction. A proper fraction is a fraction that represents a part of a whole. किसी संख्या के संपूर्ण भाग के एक भाग को प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन कहते हैं, अथवा a fraction in which numerator is less than denominator. In other words, अथवा a fraction whose numerator is whose numerator is less than its denominator. A fraction whose numerator is less than its denominator is called a proper fraction. Example of proper fractions are examples of proper fractions are 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 3 by 4, etc. are examples of proper fraction. There are so many examples of proper fraction. A fraction whose numerator is less than its denominator is called proper fraction. उचित भिन्न वह भिन्न है जिसका अंश हर से छोटा होता है. यदि कोई भिन्न जिसका अंश हर से छोटा हो उसे हम प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन कहते हैं, उचित भिन्न कहते हैं. देयर आर सो मेनी एग्जांपल्स ऑफ प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, etc. Now, second type of fraction is called improper fraction. Improper fraction. The definition of improper fraction is a fraction whose numerator is greater than its denominator. A fraction whose numerator is greater than its denominator. A fraction whose numerator is greater than its denominator is called improper fraction. Example of improper fractions are 4/3, 5/2, 5/2, 9/4 एंड etc. जिस भिन्न का अंश हर से बड़ा हो उसे हम इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन कहते हैं. अ फ्रैक्शन whose numerator is greater than its denominator is called improper fraction. In other words, we can say an improper fraction is a fraction which is a combination of whole number and a proper fraction. The other definition of improper fraction is a combination of whole number and the proper fraction is called improper fraction. So examples of improper fractions are 4/3, 5/2, 9/4, etc. Here we see that numerator is greater than its denominator, so it is called improper fraction. Now mixed fraction we will read mixed fraction. Mixed fraction. Mixed fraction, संयुक्त भिन्न. In Hindi, we call mixed fraction as a संयुक्त भिन्न. A fraction in which a mixed fraction is a combination of natural number. A mixed fraction is a mixed fraction is a combination of a mixed fraction is a combination of a natural number and a proper fraction and a proper fraction. A mixed fraction संयुक्त भिन्न प्राकृतिक संख्या और उचित भिन्न का समूह होता है, कॉम्बिनेशन होता है. A mixed fraction is a combination of a natural number and a proper fraction. Example of mixed fractions are examples of mixed fractions. Is equal to etc. There are so many examples of mixed fractions. A mixed fraction is a combination of natural number and a proper fraction. Here 3, 1, 2 are natural numbers and 1/4, 1/2, 3/4 are proper fraction. So it is a combination of natural number and a proper fraction. So examples of mixed fractions are now equivalent fraction या equal fraction. Equivalent fractions and equivalent fraction. Equivalent या equal fraction. Equal fraction. समतुल्य भिन्न या समान भिन्न. In Hindi, equivalent fraction means समतुल्य भिन्न या समान भिन्न. Two fractions are two fractions are said to be equivalent fraction. Two fractions are said to be equivalent fraction if any one of them is multiplied, is obtained by multiplying any one of them by multiplying या dividing by another fraction, multiplying या dividing by another fraction. If a fraction is given and if we multiply it by numerator and denominator by same number, we get equivalent fraction. So, equivalent fraction is a fraction which is obtained by dividing or multiplying of the other fraction. Examples of equivalent fractions are examples of equivalent fraction are 1/2, 2/4, 3/6, 3/6, etc. There are so many examples of equivalent fraction. Samtulyabhun. Two fractions are said to be equivalent या equal fraction if any one of them is obtained by multiplying या dividing another fractions. And now last, like fractions and unlike fractions. Like fractions, समान भिन्न. A fraction whose numerator are equal, fractions having equal denominators. Fractions having equal denominators. Denominators are called like fraction. Examples 3/4, 7/4, 9/4, etc. Here we see that denominators of all the fractions are equal, 4, 4, 4. So if denominators are equal, then the fractions are called like fractions. Having equal denominators are called like fractions, and unlike fractions having unequal denominators. Unlike fraction और समान भिन्न fractions having unequal denominators fractions having unequal denominators are called unlike fractions. Unlike fractions. In other words, we can explain that if two fractions having unequal denominator, then they are called unlike fractions. There are so many examples of unlike fractions are examples of unlike fractions 7/4, 5/4, 7/4, 5/4, 5/7 and 3/8. Here we see that denominators of all the fractions are unequal, so they are called unlike fraction. असमान भिन्न, यदि दो भिन्नों के यदि हर असमान हो तो उसे अनलाइक फ्रैक्शन कहते हैं. फ्रैक्शंस हैविंग अनइक्वल डिनोमिनेटर्स आर कॉल्ड unlike fraction, and if the denominators are same, they are called like fraction. So these all definitions are very important for you. So you will remember these definitions. These definitions will help you to solve examples of this exercise. So it is must necessary to remember. And in next class I will solve some examples. You will also you can try to solve the example of this exercise, and I will start exercise 2.1 in next class. Thank you.